Okay guys, today we're putting together a rolling bench. This is one of our hottest items we have out there. Anyway, we all know about these fasteners. Every piece of extrusion, when you get this, every piece that has a thread in it is going to need a fastener. So what I've done is I've assembled half of this. As you can see, there's half of the frame completed. I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. So if you take your pieces, you'll slide them in the groove, making sure that the fastener is behind, it's in the slot of the T-slot. Tighten it up. Do it in the same 3 positions. You can only go one way. So then I'm going to take this at this point and I'm going to drop it down into here. Again, making sure that your fastener slides behind the extrusion. Like that.
Let's see that last one.
And just like that. Okay? All I'm going to do now is stick my wrench in there. Tighten. Tighten. So now there's 3/4 of it. The other 3 braces that are along here, all I'm going to do is drop them down into the, just like that. Same thing over here. I'll let that drop to the bottom. Take the next one. Making sure, always make sure those fasteners go in the extrusion like so. Okay, I'll drop this one down to this point here. Stick my wrench in here. Maybe if I can, my vision isn't what it used to be. So, tighten that up. Go down here. Remember I dropped this one in earlier. Tighten that up. Tighten that up. Down to my last one, remember, again, slide that into there. This into there. Tighten this one up. Tighten that one up. There's your frame, guys. So next, in my next step, I'm going to show you how to put the plates in at this time. So now, guys, what I'll do is I'll put it on its side. I'll loosen these 6 fasteners here and make them pretty loose so this will slide real easy. I'll slide this back to here. I'll slide one of the plates into place, just like that. I'll grab one of the other plates. Slide it into this position. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to line these up, making sure that goes into the T-slot again. See how I didn't get them loose enough. That's why I say these got to be really, really loose. So I'll back them out about that far. At this point, they'll lift up high enough to go over my extrusion, like so. Same thing down here, is I will pick these up. Maybe, I can get my fingers under them. Just like that. And now, this one's got to be just a little bit looser. Just that much makes all the difference in the world. So now I'll slide it down far enough that now I have my bottom one with the holes for the casters. Slide this down into the extrusion, just like so. Slide this down to here. Guys, this really is easier than I'm making it look tonight for some reason. You know, you have those days where it works out really easy when nobody's watching. Okay. Oh, this one's got to be just a little bit looser down. Just like that. Once you got it there, you can just stick your wrench in there, tighten her up all the way around. Let's see where I'm at on this one. There. Kind of want to go around when you're done. Kind of torque them into place. There you go. There's your rolling bench. Then at this point I will flip them upside down. And got my casters. And my screws. Got my bolts down through. Install my casters. Pretty easy, guys. Just do that, complete the caster install, flip it back up. Oh, we got these, your black caps. So take these caps and on the top side, you'll put them in on the top side just like that. Just kind of cleans it up a little bit from the top side and keeps it from wanting to scratch. Everything's pretty much the same, and when you're assembling our product, it all goes together easy. Thanks again for purchasing our product. We know you love it, and have a great day.